Next property is the reaction of chlorine with water. Chlorine dissolves in water to form a colorless solution of chlorine water. Chlorine water is a mixture of hydrochloric acid and chloric 1 acid. This reaction occurs according to the following equation. Chlorine dissolving in water is actually means reacting with water to form hydrochloric acid and chloric 1 acid. Now, chloric 1 acid is a bleaching agent, and it is responsible for bleaching litmus paper. When you take blue and red litmus paper and you dip them in chlorine water, the blue litmus paper will turn red and eventually get bleached, while the red litmus paper will still remain red but will also be bleached. This is because chloric 1 acid is unstable and hence decomposes to form atomic oxygen and hydrochloric acid according to the following equation. Now, the dye which might be present in the litmus paper or any other substance is usually colored. The colored dye, in the presence of chloric 1 acid, chloric 1 acid will decompose and give its atomic oxygen to the dye, and therefore removing the color to make it colorless. And the other product is hydrochloric acid. Now, bleaching action of chlorine with chlorine water requires some conditions to occur. Dry chlorine does not bleach dry litmus paper because of the absence of chloric 1 acid. Remember, the bleaching action of chlorine is due to the presence of chloric 1 acid when it is dissolved in water. Yellow chlorine water is decolorized in the presence of sunlight. This means that sunlight acts as a catalyst or a necessary condition for the decomposition of chlorine water. Concentrated chlorine water is usually yellow in color. The equation for the reaction is shown here.